Hello, friends. Good evening. I'm going to introduce our new family member, Cuckoo. What is Cuckoo? It's very interesting. Okay, very lovely family member, very important. This is air purifier. This is Cuckoo from Korea. It's a number one brand in kitchen appliances in Korea. Okay, very popular brand. Okay, I'm going to show you a demo how it works. Okay, first of all, I'm going to on this Cuckoo. This is on, and this is reading. This is reading the environment of bedroom. Okay, observing the pollution and viruses and free radicals. You know very well what is the free radicals, pollution. It's very harmful. Actually, we can't survive uh, without eating 21 days. Okay, we can't survive without sleeping 7 days. We can't survive without drinking water 3 days. Okay, but we can't survive without breathing only 3 minutes, 5 minutes maximum. You can see this is now a red, from red to yellow. It means the environment, the pollution level of our bedroom is good, not bad. Okay, if it will turn in blue, then it means our bedroom is totally pollution free, totally free radical free, totally virus free. Can you imagine if we live in the environment of pollution free environment, free radical free environment, and virus free environment, then what happen? What will happen? It means we live healthy. This is the lifestyle product. We live healthy. Lots of diseases we can control, like asthma, like coronavirus, like upcoming virus Omicron. Lots of things. Okay, we we can age slow. Okay, we live healthy. You can see this shows is yellow. Okay, uh, now turn in blue light. It means it makes our room totally pollution free and virus free and free radical free. Okay, lots of benefits in our health if we use the air purifier, a quality air purifier, world class air purifier, Cuckoo. Okay, this brand belongs to Modi Care. We are doing Modi Care, proudly doing Modi Care. Really, Modi Care provides us a world class product. Okay, now turning yellow, it means it's reducing gradually free radicals and pollution and viruses also, and then it will turn in blue gradually. Okay, MRP of this product is 18,999 and distributor price is 17,999. Lots of benefit. You can't get this product from market. Okay, you have to register in Modi Care first of all, and then you can get lots of benefit, user benefit, customer benefit, lots of discount. Modi Care having more than 750 plus product, and this is new launched product. Now turns in blue. It means it's working. And how will it prove it's working or not? Okay, uh, I show you a demo. Uh, Almost family uses agarbatti in their uh, home to worship. Just hold it, just like hold it, just like hold it. I burn this dhoop, agarbatti, dhoop. Okay, what is this? This is also a source of pollution. Okay, uh, I burn it, and it will make pollution. Okay, just like pollution. You can see we create pollution, and you see light turning. You can see light turning from blue. It should be. Fogging this agarbatti, you can see. Okay, um, burning more of that. uh, this cuckoo is very effective, observing very fast pollution. You can see turn in yellow. It means uh, cuckoo is working, and observed the pollution of this dhoop agarbatti. Whenever we burn agarbatti, we create pollution in our home. Okay, lots of sources in our home to pollute our environment. Lots of sources. Now turn in red. It means more pollution is going in this cuckoo, this machine, and we remove from cuckoo from our room. You can see this cuckoo gradually it takes time. Gradually it will turn in yellow. It means almost 70 to 80% pollution observed when it turns in yellow. Okay. Everybody know lots of awareness over there. Causes of cancer, causes of asthma, causes of fast aging, uh, causes of lots of diseases. it's pollution, free radical, viruses. Whenever season changes, okay, we got infected, okay, we sneezing, uh, we suffer from fever and skin disease, lots of diseases over there, okay, because of pollution and viruses and free radicals. If we use, we can live healthy life and we can control lots of diseases. You know very well we are facing lots of problems like COVID, like Omicron, like Delta variant, lots of things. You can see Kuku is working, okay, observed pollution from agarbatti, from dhoop. Why? Why it's need right now? What happened? Uh, can you think about water purifier? Before 20 years, 30 years, we used to have habitual to use water purifier. Okay, no, because lack of awareness, and that time there was no need to use water purifier. But right now, uh, from 10 years, water is also polluted. That's why we are using a water purifier because of health conscious. Everybody is health conscious. Okay, and now this is going to be rock in market. This product is going to be rock in market. Okay. Next 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, we will have to use this product because everybody knows how we suffer in COVID. How we suffer in COVID. Why? 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 Why suffered so much in COVID? Because of lack of oxygen. Okay, oxygen lacking very much in our environment, wherever you are, no matter. Sometime we go outside for fresh air in park. Okay, we go to gym. Okay, we go to outside in greeny area. Okay, because of we need fresh air, we need more oxygen. Okay, we do yoga. Why we do yoga? Why do we anulom vilom, pranayam? Because of oxygen. We need more oxygen. Okay, every cells contains oxygen. Every cells need oxygen. Okay, now you can see turn in yellow color. Okay, every cell. Do you know what is the cell? Everybody knows about cell. This hair is also uh, created by cell, skin cell, eye cell, whole body is cell. Okay, if if we survive because of cell, okay, everybody is cell. Everything is cell in our body. Okay, cell need oxygen, pure oxygen, more oxygen. You can see this turns in yellow color. It means observing more pollution and viruses, free radical. Don't you want to improve your home pollution free?